Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I look a little ratchet, don't mind me, but I'm gonna attempt to make fry bread today, so I'm gonna just, record and show you guys. So this is the second rise. So we're gonna go ahead and fry it, get it all rolled out, and then my cousin Bradley's probably gonna fry it up for us. He's over there eating dough like a weirdo.
She wanted to get rid of this. And then it sticks to the bowl.
You're good. Get out little bundles.
It's like this is what you're gonna want to make it so it's not sticking to your hands, but it still sticks together. It's like in the dough. Or in the flour.
Rolling up the dough.
And then just like this, you start in the middle and you work your way around the outside edge.
Some native shit.
Some native shit.
Making some Frybread.
Some Frybread, yes. The white kid is making the Frybread.
Light skin. We light skins over here. That means so.
Oh yeah, dude, she makes like in bulk. Like that.
Probably freeze up some of the dough. Okay, so we got the canola oil going. My soup's ready. We just need to fry up some fry bread. Damn, it's a little thick.
It cooks or browns really fast, so like.
She doesn't do that. She just grabs a bag of sugar and just dumps it in.
No, seriously, like this is so crazy that he's here for me because everywhere that I go, family don't come and visit me. Like it's just not in the budget to go and visit.
Boo, your eyes!
What, are they red?
Yes! Nurse Frybread over here to the rescue.
Right, put them in.
Oh my god. Sorry, it came out really fast.
It feels good. Oh, it hurts.
Oh my god. I'm scared. I don't want to burn my fingers. Use what I cooked.
Yeah, like 30 seconds, and then you flip it. Go ahead, flip it, yeah. All right, guys, we're about to burn down the apartment, so we're stopping the video here. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to like and subscribe and all that. Yeah.